Hi everyone, my Corex came today, so I'm going to be redoing the piggy's cage. I'm going to make it a 2x3 with a stand and with a 2x1 loft. So I thought I'd do a video on how I'm making it, just in case for people that haven't got CNC cages and want to know how to build one. So I'll show you what I do. So I'll show you things you need. So the first thing you'll need is grids. I got my grids off eBay, so if you look on eBay or Amazon, there's loads on there, all different deals. Second thing you'll need is Corex, which looks like this. This one is 4mm thick and I got it in white, and yeah, I got that off eBay as well. So I've done it like this just so I can see how much I need for the base and for the sides, but as you can see I didn't get a big enough bit of Corex, because as usual I get all my measurements wrong when I order things. Never mind, I should have a spare bit to put on the back. If not, I'll just have to do what I always do and put a fleece at the back, but I'm not bothered anyway. At least most of the cage will have sides, and as I said, I should have a spare bit, so we will see. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see what I've done because the pencil's only yellow, but basically I measured from here to here, like this side, that one, and at the back. I just made sure they're all the same, and they're all 5.5 inch. So what I did was made sure they're all 5.5 inch, and then just drew along here, and then made sure the next bit was 5.5 inch and measured. Yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to score these lines, and then this bit here, some people either cut the whole square out or they cut one line, so then this bit tucks in. I think that's what I'm going to do, just to make it a bit more stronger. So I've just scored this line here, so to score it you just go over it once, and then if you want to cut it you go over it again, and mind your carpet underneath, so I'm going to put something under this. So I've cut this bit here and I've scored this bit, so as you can see it just goes like that now. So when I score this bit, that will fold into there. So I'm going to score the other bits now. So I've scored it, and when I fold it now, and fold these bits in, like that. And then I just have to stick these bits. As you can see, I'm not very neat, but never mind. Yeah, I've just got to stick these bits, which I'll do now, and then I'll come back to that end when I find the spare bit I have. I've just stuck the sides with just normal sticky tape. I have got some extra strong, like waterproof sticky tape, but I can't find it anywhere, so when I find it I'll probably change it, because I don't know if this is going to last very long, but I suppose when you put it in this will hold it together anyway. So now I'm going to do the hayloft bit. So I've just done the same thing again. I've got this to see how much I'll need, and then with pencil I've just drawn where I'm going to score. Yeah, all the sides are the same as the base, they're 5.5 inch. This spare bit I'm going to make a ramp out of, so I'll show you that too. So this is where I'm up to now. I'd stopped for a little while, but I've just put it on here just so I could see how steep I should do the ramp. The ramp is 2 pieces of Corex with a piece of carpet on it. I put 2 pieces of Corex on it because I don't think it's going to be strong enough with just one. So I'm going to see how this ramp goes, and I'm going to have a look online. I might get something else, but this should be right for now. If not, I'll just have to take it out. And I've just cable tied it on like that. Just put the piggies in their new playpen that I got them from Amazon, because I need to destroy the old cage and build the new one, so that's why I've put them in here. This is the bottom bit for my storage boxes. So that's the base and that bit of the cage done. Now I've just got to do the loft. So I've added all the grids and all the connectors now, just got to add the Corex. So here's the cage all finished, as you can see. I had a few problems. The Corex was an inch too big on both of them, so I had to add another score line, but apart from that, everything else has been okay. So I'll just show you. This is the bottom, top, and underneath. So underneath I've got my 3 of my storage boxes I got from IKEA. Let's got all their stuff in. So all the cozy items in the cage at the moment are all items that I've actually made myself. So I'll show you. This is a bottle pad that I made with strawberries, little cozy sack sleeping bag, and 2 extra thick beds, and they both got a really thick pad in there. It's been cold lately, so I wanted to make them nice and thick, keep them warm. That's the beds. One's got cupcakes on, and the other one's got little bows that matches that. And on the second level I made them this hay pouch, which I think they're really going to love because it'll be easy for them to get it out. And then they've got lots and lots of hay here, which they'll love. Strawberry fleece. I'll put that there for now, but I'm not sure if they're going to go underneath it. You'll see. Chewy down here. So they've got their carpet ramp, their chew garland, another chew, a little mirror, their ball. They love this ball. They've got another ball and a mirror there, and their food bowl with pellets at the bottom, these ones, and on top they've got some Excel herbs with the little rose petals in. So this is their new cage. I'm really pleased with it. I hope they really like it. I love it. I think it looks so much better. Looks really tidy, and yeah, it looks really nice. I think they really like it, and I'm going to make some more cozy items for them. The rest of their stuff's in the wash, so I'm going to put their cozy tunnel back in there. And yeah, so I'll put the piggies in now. Hi. Come on. Come on, piggy. Come on. Come on. Come on, piggies. So yeah, this is the piggy's new cage. Hope you all like this video. And oh, are you comfy? And talk to you all soon. Bye.